Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. On this channel, expect to see hairstyles for kids and beauty DIYs. Okay, so please take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so. Do that so you can join the family. Okay, so guys, in today's video we are going to be making cucumber face wash that can help you get rid of acne, black spots, pimples, all forms of hyperpigmentations. That's what we are going to be making today. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get right into the video. So first, you get a clean chopping board or a clean plate, and this is the soap we are going to be using in making the cucumber face wash. You can use any soap of your choice. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and open it so you all can see what the soap looks like. It's a regular soap. It's the normal soap you can use to bathe. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now I will go ahead and grate the soap with the smallest size of the grater. So after grating the soap, this is what it looks like. This is it, guys. So I'll go ahead and set it aside. We'll move over to the next stage, which is getting a clean plate. The next thing we are going to be needing here is cucumber. Here I have one cucumber with me. Is already washed, so make sure you wash your own. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and grate this cucumber with this grater. You can as well blend it if you wish to blend in it. Okay, but make sure while blending it you don't need to add water to it. Okay, just cut it into pieces and add it into blender and blend it. Okay guys, so now I'll go ahead and grate it with the grater, and after grating it with the grater, this is what it looks like. I will set it aside. The next thing is to get a clean bowl. In that clean bowl, I will get a sieve. So I'll go ahead and pour in the grated cucumber into the sieve. Now using my spatula, I will go ahead and press out all the cucumber juice. So after pressing out the cucumber juice, the next thing to do is to bring the grated soap. This is it. You go ahead and pour in the grated soap into the cucumber juice. Once that is done, you give it a mix. So the next thing we are going to add now is rose water. I'll go ahead and add about 2 teaspoons of rose water. Then after that, I'll go ahead and get a lemon. I'll divide this lemon into 2. I'll add half of it. So after squeezing in half of the lemon juice, the next thing to do is to go ahead and get your hand mixer. Now I'll go ahead and mix this very well for the soap to dissolve very well, guys. You have to mix it very well, guys. Yeah, this cucumber face wash is very effective, guys. Cucumber helps to reduce swelling and the puffiness. It also helps to, it helps an acne prone skin. Cucumber helps to combat premature aging. It also helps to soothe irritation. There are a lot of skin benefits of cucumber, guys. It can also help to provide base for hydration. Yes, so if you are suffering from dry skin, you can use this on your skin and it will help a lot. So after mixing everything very well, I'll go ahead and add it into this cup as to help me to transfer it into the container I'll be storing it with. Okay, guys, this cucumber face wash is really nice, guys. So now I'll go ahead and transfer it into this container. And how do you use this cucumber face wash? How you use it is that you get cotton wool, then you apply a little amount of this cucumber face wash on your cotton wool and use it to clean your face and allow it to stay on your face for 45 to 1 hour, depending on how long you can wait. Then you wash it off with warm water and apply your face cream or face moisturizer, guys. So that's basically how you use it, guys. So please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, guys. Please, it means a lot to me. Comment, like and share. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.